This is day 2 of ship season, and when I told my friends I'm doing a challenge where I'm creating 30 things in 30 days, the response was the same every time. I don't have 30 ideas. Every single friend I talk to. And I get it. When you hear 30 things in 30 days, your brain immediately jumps to 30 apps, 30 products, 30 things that need a landing page and a waitlist. But that's not it. The 30x30 challenge is simple. Ship 30 things in 30 days. If you're a designer, create 30 designs. If you're a developer, develop 30 things. If you're a creator, create 30 videos. If you're an artist, 30 paintings. If you're a writer, 30 essays. Anyway, you get the point. The goal is to ship something, not to launch a startup. The point is getting the things out of your head and into the world. And for most people, including myself, the hardest part is actually starting. Why is that? Not because we lack skill, but because you lack direction. So on day 2, I built the 30x30 idea generator. You can find it at 30x30.midcurved.com or vibecode.fun/Rick, like I showed you yesterday. Here's how it works. You fill in a multiple choice form. Takes about 2 minutes, max. It asks you about your background, your skills, what you're trying to get out of the challenge. And once you submit it, the AI reads your answers, processes them, and gives you back 3 specific direction recommendations, not generic advice. 3 actual directions matching on you. So the excuse is gone, right? Now, let me show you how this actually is built, because I think a lot of people still think AI apps are magic. They're not. The structure is simpler than you think. You got a form, the form collects your inputs, multiple choice, so the data is clean. Then the input gets collected into a prompt. The prompt goes into the AI model, number 1. That model does one job. It reads your context, picks 3 directions. That's it, 3 outputs. Now, if you want to go deeper, and this is where the second model comes in, you pay €9. You choose which direction you like most, a bit more context about yourself, and AI model number 2 takes that and writes you a 30-day roadmap, day by day, based on your specific direction, your skill, and your available time. 2 models, 1 form, 1 buy button. That's the whole app. If you can draw this on a napkin, you can build it. And that's basically what I did. But I want to talk about that buy button for a second. On day 0, before ship season started, Mark said something I couldn't stop thinking about. He said, to validate, you have to add a buy button. Not a waitlist, not a survey, a button. A buy button. Because a waitlist tells you people are interested. A buy button tells you people actually want it. And there's a huge difference in that. So I added €9 for the roadmap. Now, not because I need the money. €9 is almost nothing, but because I wanted to know, is this worth paying for? Does the free version get people close enough to click? I'm not pretending this will convert at 30%, but now I get to find out instead of guessing. That's validation. So after I built the idea generator, I started testing it myself, and I found a few things I wanted to polish. So I added a save button. Now, when the generator gives you all the ideas, you can save the ones you like and send them straight to your email. I use Resend for this. I connected it through Cloudflare, which is hosting my domain as well, and Claude Code basically handled everything for me. And I also added a button to join the Telegram group. This is for the inner circle, let's say, the people who want to join the 30x30 challenge. And you can only get the invite if you actually generate 30 ideas. So that means if you pay to join. But the second thing I figured out was that my Stripe account was not verified yet, and therefore I could not enable payments, which made me think, maybe I should just make the first few generations of the 30 ideas free. So the first 10 people that generate 30 ideas can join the Telegram for free and generate their ideas for free. After that, this becomes a paid feature. Like I said, actually I should ship something with a paid button from the beginning, but hey, I'm feeling generous today. Stripe did already verify it, but hey, I'm keeping it for free for the first 10 people that want to generate their 30 ideas. So be fast, go to 30x30.midcurved.com and generate your ideas. And after that, I'll turn on the pay button and it's gonna be €9 again for anyone who wants to do it afterwards. But then it also is €9 to be able to join the inner circle, the 30x30 inner circle, where we're gonna hold each other accountable. Accountability, that's the word of the day. I've talked to a lot of people this week about the challenge, and almost everyone has something they've been building or something they've been wanting to build that has never seen the daylight. It's sitting in a folder somewhere, or it's just in their head. The challenge isn't really about building 30 things. It's about what happens when you force yourself to ship. You get faster, you get better, you get less precious. You stop waiting for the perfect moment. You start measuring what works instead of imagining what works. And at the end of 30 days, you have have 30 proofs that you can do this. So an idea is only as valuable as the people it reaches. If it stays in your head, it's worth nothing. And I'm sorry for taking away your last excuse for not participating in the challenge. I truly am sorry. But this is day 2 of ship season. The tool is live at 30x30.midcurve.com. Go try it out. And if you're thinking about joining the challenge, this is literally built for that moment. So go check it out and let me know in the comments what it suggested to you. My name is Rick, and I'll see you tomorrow. Ciao!